I said, man, hold up. Street scholar got the thing sold up. I said, man, hold up. Come on, the mob got the thing sold up. I said, man, hold up. Major Heat got the thing sold up. I said, man, hold up. West Coast got the thing sold up.
I got a fetish for chopping that green like bush edges. Push weight by the pound like 36 Jerome Bettis. I stay with that green leaf like chefs stay with lettuce. I'm in it to win it, never label as no gimmick. You might be the soldier, but I'm the lieutenant. The realest cat you ever meet, real shit. Catch me smoking blunt and catching the vibe off them gangster hits. Saying that's my shit. Two-step into the bass, never proving in this. Got the crowd saying cash, don't do them like that. Freestyling on the spot, never doing the track. Your girl know I'm hot, man, and that's a fact. Cause she know how I get when I'm blazing back. You know I'm liking that, but you hating that. Man, face the facts, man, your game is whack. Cause I can get up on the track and rip the whole bag.
I said, man, hold up. Street scholar got the thing sold up. I said, man, hold up. Come on, the mob got the thing sold up. I said, man, hold up. Major Heat got the thing sold up. I said, man, hold up. West Coast got the thing sold up.
Hold up, slow up or get your brain pop. Lead showers on top of your head like raindrops. Long Beach street scholars got that aim lock. From on the mob, got Major Heat when that beat knock. I'm nice with the flow, I'm sick on the track. I spit that crack music, got people fiending my raps. I blaze a sack of that purple Cali Kush. We West Coast and all bustin' niggas better push. Ain't no snitches allowed where we roll. Ain't nothing but old soldiers, real niggas getting dough. 500 proof, hood certified till we die. From Long Beach to Pomona, yeah, that's how we ride. We keep it gangster, shaking all your wanksters. Y'all ain't fucking with us, we too gangster. I got that beach city flow, hoes recognize a real east sider when I'm live.
I said, man, hold up. Street